Okay, sing Wonderpets now.
Okay, I just did for you. I just what am I thinking this?
Putting in the missing pieces. Very good.
Wonderpets gone away, did not leave me, and day by day, not too big, and not too tough. We just do that away, just away, stuff.
Yeah, and then what do you say? Go Wonderpets.
Wonderpets.
Well, you do the teamwork one. Do the teamwork one. Do Wonder Way, please.
No,
What is it? Daddy, Liam, and Charlie too.
Oh, Mommy, I want to play a jigsaw.
Okay. Do your jigsaw then.
Okay. Okay, Mommy.
Which letter is Leamy's letter? Which one's the letter for Leamy?
This one.
Yeah. And which one's Mammy's one for Justine? What's the letter for Justine?
This one.
Good boy. And what's the letter for hand?
This one.
And what's the letter for orange?
This one.
And where's B for Brian?
And this one.
And where's C for Charlie? Where's C for Charlie?
This one. This one.
Same as Camelia's one?
This.
No.
This one.
That's for what? That's I for ice cream. Yeah. Where's Charlie's one?
I don't know.
It's beside the B for bag. It's beside Brian's one. It's beside Brian's one. Where is E for elephant? Did you find? Where is K for king? Where's P for panda? Where's N for nest? Where's U for umbrella?
You put umbrella at this one.
And V for vegetables. Where's X for xylophone? And T for tiger?
This one is for Yan.
And M for mammy and mambo and monkey?
I just don't know. I just did from Daddy.
That's very good.
I don't know.
Well done.
Are you coming in for your bath?